Hey, thank you for being here, my friends. Realize Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. Love having you in our kitchen. Today we're going to be doing a recipe for fried Bora and saltfish with potatoes. Yummy! So for this recipe, guys, we're going to be using the amount of Bora you see there. We're going to be using potato, of course, saltfish, onion, tomato, garlic, pepper, scallions, and of course salt to taste. And that's all we need for this yummy Bora and saltfish recipe. As you know, this goes very nice with some oil roti, even sada roti. This goes well with it as well, and of course rice too. So having said that, let's get started with this yummy Guyanese traditional dish. So the first thing we've done here, we've put some water to heat up to boil out the salt from our saltfish. And before we put our saltfish to boil, we're gonna wash off whatever salt we can before. So there we go, we're gonna boil this for about 10 to 15 minutes just once, and that's gonna be it. So as you can see, we have some nice green Bora, and that's what you want. You don't want to buy the ripe Bora, which is turning yellow already. So your Bora should be nice and green like this, my friends. You don't want them to start to ripen. So these sizes are okay for your potatoes. So our salted fish should be boiled by now. Should be about 10 minutes by now. And there it is. So we're gonna go strain this now. So we're gonna add some oil to our karahi now to heat up. We've already strained out our saltfish. So here's our saltfish, and we're gonna break this up now into little pieces. So this right here, my friends, is a yummy Guyanese dish. So you're gonna break up your saltfish like this here. Your salted fish. Alright, oil is hot, time to party. So we're gonna add our onions first. Next, we're gonna add our salted fish. So we just fried up our onions for about 30 seconds. So as you know, we're using salted fish for this recipe, guys. So before you add your salt, you're gonna see if how much you should add, if you should add any at all. So we're going in with some black pepper there now. So the reason why we are frying the saltfish at first with the onions is because you want the salted fish to toughen up a bit. Because if you were to mix it with the Bora and everything and cook it together, it's going to break up very small pieces. So by doing it first here, now frying it with the onions a bit, you're going to toughen up the salted fish a bit so it will stay. It won't break up a lot after that, once you start frying it with the Bora and the other seasonings. So we also fry the salted fish with the onions, guys, for about 30 seconds, 45 seconds. And now we're going to go in with the tomato and the scallions. And the garlic and pepper. That's looking yummy already, yeah? So now we're going to go in with both the Bora and the potatoes at the same time. Salt to taste. So you got to mix that up. Good, so once we give this a good mix with everything in there, we're going to cover it. See you in a bit. Alright my friends, it's been about 5 minutes for our Bora and saltfish, so we're going to give a turn now, check. And that's coming along nicely, as you can see. Look like it's ready for some roti already. The Bora's still crunchy though, gotta be cooked. But that's looking good, man. Alright, so we're gonna cover this back and let it cook again. Alright my friends, so we're gonna give our Bora another check now. That's looking good. You should give this recipe a try. This is very yummy. Goes so nice with roti and rice. Okay guys, so our Bora with salted fish and potato is ready. This is done. We've checked the potatoes, they're boiled. And that's it for this yummy Guyanese traditional Bora with saltfish and potato. So we're gonna go make some roti to go with this now. But that's it for this recipe guys. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.